If your vocabulary could use some magic, you're in the right place. Meet Oliver, the wise owl, with a story that'll teach you new words effortlessly. Once upon a time, in a peaceful kingdom surrounded by magical forests, there was a wise owl named Oliver. Oliver was known far and wide for his wisdom and love for books. One day, he discovered an ancient, dusty book that warned of a terrible monster, the Shadowbeast, who could annihilate everything it touched. The only way to stop it was to anticipate its moves and trap it before it could spread. Worried, Oliver gathered all the animals and began to disseminate the important information. "Listen, everyone," he said. "We must emulate the wisdom and kindness of those before us." The animals wanted proof, so Oliver decided to authenticate the spell by consulting an elder turtle. After examining it closely, the turtle confirmed, "Yes, this spell is true." And so, united by wisdom and kindness, they kept the Shadowbeast away. Subscribe our channel for more new words to learn through stories.